определение. Кража – это...
Theft is an inappropriate term. Theft implies the secret taking of property. But what they are trying to do here is being done openly. This is robbery. Why is this robbery not working out? Because the consequences could be severe for the robbers. What does this entail? Firstly, it is not easy to do. They did not simply announce that they would rob and take what they wanted. One idea is to issue a reparation loan secured by our assets. What does this mean? It means consequences for each country's budget. It increases public debt in those countries. Even if someone issues such loans, even if they are secured by our international reserves, these loans still have to be reflected in the national budget of the issuing country. For example, France has a national debt amounting to 120% of its GDP. Ours is 17.7%. As for the budget deficit, ours is 2.6%, and next year it will be 1.6%. In France, it is 6%. Let them try to include these additional obligations in their budget now. I believe the budget situation there is quite complicated. This is one of the reasons why it is not easy to make decisions involving the robbery of other people's money. But there are other, more severe consequences for those who attempt to do this. It is not just a blow to their image. It is an undermining of trust in the Eurozone in this case, because, of course, many countries keep their gold and foreign exchange reserves there, not just Russia, but also countries with free capital. First and foremost, these are oil-producing countries. They are watching what is happening. They already have suspicions, doubts, and fears. And what if this happens again? You know, once you start something like this, it can be repeated under different pretexts. Right now, someone disapproves of our special military operation and our fight against neo-Nazism in Ukraine. Tomorrow, someone might disapprove of policies regarding the LGBT community. In Muslim countries, in Islamic states, there are many very strict laws to protect their, indeed, our shared, traditional values. We don't have such laws, but they do. That alone could serve as a pretext for the seizure of sovereign funds, sovereign resources, and sovereign money. Why not? They can always find another excuse. So, aside from image losses, there may be direct losses affecting the very foundations of the modern financial world order. That's why it's not easy to carry out. The most important point is that no matter what they steal or how they steal it, they will have to return it someday. Furthermore, we will defend our interests, primarily in courts. We will make efforts to find a jurisdiction that is independent of political decisions.